Hello, thank you so much for joining me. I rushed home tonight because I have an unboxing of Trunk Club and I am really just excited to get into this box. Glad that you have joined. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button below and you will never miss a video that I do. I'm going to open this box for you. I want you to check it out. And everything is wrapped in plastic, so I want you to check it out, and then I'm going to unwrap the plastic and we'll look at all the clothes. Okay, so that's what the box looks like, and I think there's like 11 or 12 things in this box. Let me tell you just a little bit about Trunk Club in case you're not familiar. Trunk Club is a Nordstroms company, and you go online, you sign up, you take a style quiz, and then you are matched with a stylist. And that stylist is going to actually contact you. I speak with my stylist on the phone, I can email her, and we talk about my style and what I'm looking for, and I can leave her notes. I did leave her a note for this club, this Trunk Club, and I told her I'm still looking for those white denims. So I do know that she included some of those, and I also told her that I wanted light springtime colors. So then your stylist curates a box for you, and that box could have a few things in it, or it can have a whole bunch of things in it, and then she sends a preview of everything she's going to send, and at that time I can look at it and say I don't need it, I already have something similar, or send it. I'm able to strike any items that I don't want, and then there is also an option to have her replace those, so there are some surprise items in this box. The first thing I am going to show you, I was pretty happy about this. I like my Converse. I own some, but she picked these for me knowing that red is my favorite color, and I don't have any red chucks. So these, if they fit, and they're my size, so they ought to, these will be mine. Oh, let me real quick get into, there's a $25 styling fee, and that fee, it does come off of anything that you purchase. If you have a Nordstrom's card, there's no fee. So all of these items come from Nordstroms. So I get an invoice and instructions of how to, what to do. And this is a UPS service, so I am going to send everything back in the box that they sent me with. They give me the prepaid label. They also give you tape to tape the box up, so that's awesome. I call UPS and schedule a delivery. They get 5 days from the date that I receive it to return it. So I got it yesterday, and I want to break into this because I'm excited about it, and I also want to hear your opinions before I return this. So we saw the chucks, and the first thing we have is something that is dark. It's kind of black with floral print, and this is Dorothy Perkins. My stylist knows that I don't like the big rosy prints. Ooh, this is a really cute dress, but I'll tell you what, it looks a little short, and that is also something that I don't care for, but we'll see how it looks once it's on. And we have the little keyhole back with a silver button, and it's a pretty simple little kind of swing dress with there's a little bitty ruffle on the bottom. So this looks like fun. I like the colors too. You know, I'm kind of enjoying orange lately, and just recently started receiving it. So now we have, this is halogen, and this is a top that looks like a lot like me, and with the bell sleeve and the tie detail there, same thing. We've got the button in the back, and that's a fun color though, a little bit of fuchsia, magenta, black, blue, white. The white jeans work. I think that will work well with them. Okay, these are my white jeans. These are Articles of Society. Another YouTube, Kristen, said that she loved these and that I should request these, so I did. And these look like a skinny. They have the frayed hem, and that is not reinforced, but oh, we do have some distressing on the leg, but it is light distressing. It looks like it's an actual hole, but pretty light distressing. And can we see through it? question. That's always the question. And with the lights, I can see through them. Let's see if I can see through them when I put them on my body. Now, this is BP. This is just a t-shirt, very, very soft t-shirt with, is it a v-neck? Because I like my v-necks, and with a rounded hem. So that's always nice. You know what? I think that all these boxes include a t-shirt because that way you can use your styling fee and collect t-shirts. So next we have a navy blue Lavapella. This looks like a dress. This is a maxi dress. And we have, what do we have? Just a plain spaghetti strap. This is a really plain navy dress. Not my favorite color, but it's definitely a springtime fashion. So we'll see how I like that. I don't know. It's just a denim jacket. And she, oh, a long denim jacket? She put a denim jacket in my preview. And you know I just bought one. Oh, we have a lot of tissue in here. Oh no, this is a denim dress. This is by Lucky brand. This is my daughter-in-law's favorite brand, Lucky. So we have the rolled sleeve detail, and this looks short. We'll see how it looks on me, but look at, it's got the pockets on the back of the skirt. So that's kind of cute. I don't know. We'll see how it looks on me. I'm gonna try it on for you guys, and maybe it will work. Next we have, this looks like another maxi dress. Okay, I'm liking the color on this one a little bit better. This is cast on. It kind of looks like a high-waisted low V, and the waistline is pretty high, and a maxi dress. So that looks like fun. And you know, I had requested a caramel color car coat last month, and she wasn't able to find me one, and she sent a great big lightweight trench coat, and I told her that was not at all what I was looking for. So this looks like she sent another raincoat, and I own a jacket so very similar to this, a raincoat. It doesn't rain where I live, not very often at all. This is North Face, and I tried to explain to her that I'm not looking for a raincoat at all. I'm looking for a structured camel colored car coat. So I think she's still working on that for me, but this is beautiful, but I don't need it. And I own one raincoat and it looks just like this. Okay, we have more articles of society and another white jean. And oh, these look promising because they're very clean. And they're see-through. I can see the seams through these with the light in front of me. Okay, let's hope they work because these look great. No distressing white jean. Okay, this is the last thing in our box. What do we have? Oh, this is a jacket. This is by Lathe. A black jacket. It's a short, I don't even know what to call this. It's belted. It's got a big lapel on it, big collar. Let's try it on and see. This is a little dark for me, but let's try it. Surprisingly, I like the Lucky brand dress. It's really a casual feel. The length, I thought it was going to be too short, but it's just above, well, a few inches above my knees, but I'm not uncomfortable with it. There's plenty of room in this dress. I did have to style it different. It came with the sleeves cuffed a couple times. That just feels like too much fabric in my armpit. So I rolled it down one, and so we have pockets here, and pockets in the back, the frayed hem. Surprisingly, really like this dress. This is the Caslon dress in kind of a, it's not red, it's kind of a pink rosy colored. It's got side slits on both sides, about up to the knee. So watch the movement of this dress. This is one of the things I like about the dress, is that the dress moves with you and makes it so fun and flowy. And what do you think about the side? It doesn't hug the body, which is nice, but it still kind of shows off my shape, and it's very forgiving in the tummy area. It's a very deep V. In fact, my bra is showing, so I think I would have to tack that there, but my husband likes this dress. I like this dress. Do you like this dress? Dorothy Perkins, this is that swing dress, and watch that fabric. Isn't this fun? Okay, I like this dress a lot. The things I don't like about it is that it's long sleeve. It's very lightweight though, but I live in a very warm climate, so I would not be able to wear this through the summer. It's a great springtime, but it's still that dark color. And look at this little ruffle, and you're seeing it correctly. That is not the light. The inside of the ruffle is not finished, and I can't get it to lay down, so it's really evident. If I don't like the ruffle at all, but I don't mind the ruffle on the bottom here. I like this dress. I just like the feel of the dress. It's nice fabric, but I will show you it's not lined either. But it's a fun dress. This is Lavapella in navy. Watch me move. This is really a long dress. The shoes that I have on are about a 3-inch wedge, and this dress is very long. I think it might be a little bit too long to wear with a flat or a flip-flop, unless I decided to tie it up on the side, which I do sometimes with a long dress. And so this is a great, it's not a V, it's kind of a rounded V, and this is much better neckline for me. I'm more comfortable in this, and will probably get more wear out of this than that deep V. So let me show you the back of it. And ooh, I like it. I'm kind of sad about these Articles of Society jeans. And I'm not real crazy about this top either. You know why? Because I have so many of them. These bell sleeves at the, and if it goes down really low, but then you can cinch it here and tie it and make it shorter. So I like that detail. I like the color. I think it looks great with the white jeans, but the white jeans are not working for me. They are snug. I'm just going to show you because I put them on and you've been going through this hunt with me, but they are just too snug. I don't feel like I'm popping out. I think, I don't know why. It's like the white fabric seems to be so very thin and it offers no structure, and I feel very uncomfortable. The legs are very tight, and I think this would be something that I'm constantly pulling up because my thighs are pulling it. What do you think about the blouse? The too tight jeans? Don't tell me, I don't need to hear it. In the interest of time, I have 4 pieces on. I have the Converse, the red tennis shoes. My husband thinks I look like Bozo. These actually feel a little bit long. I own several pairs. These are my size. I don't know, maybe my feet are shrinking. So this is the raincoat by North Face. This is such a nice jacket. It's got a zip on it. It's got the, it's got snaps on it, the pockets, zip as well, and look at the way the cuffs are. They give you like extra room knowing that you're going to need your hands, and I just think this is a great jacket. It's also adjustable on the sides here. I honestly have no need for it. It's a nice lightweight jacket, but it is not even close to what I was looking for. This is the BP t-shirt, which I like real well. I like the color on it. It's got this kind of raw edge on the neckline, the V, and so I like it. Oh, I can't show you these jeans. They're too tight. They're, I'll stand back. It's the back. And you know, you guys know I bought some shapewear, but I want to be able to wear my pants without shapewear. If I wanted to look super duper, then I'm gonna wear that shapewear, but was everyday wear, I'm not going to. Last item. This is the Lathe jacket, this black jacket. It has this detail here and it goes all the way into the back. And I think it's very reminiscent of a trench coat without the bottom. I don't know how I feel about it. It does have the tie detail and the button, and it is unfinished. And you guys know I like my jackets to be finished. I'm not sure what I think about this. I would love to hear your comments on this piece, and when I look at the video, I think I will have a better perspective on whether or not I like this piece. I'm gonna get up close. I know it's gonna wash me out, but I'm just gonna give you a better look at the jacket. Give me your thoughts. Okay, I know you guys have seen the prices, and I have just looked over them because I was filming, but I wasn't filming. So I'm gonna go over them real quick with you. The sneakers, the Chuck Taylors, are $50. The raincoat, which I do not need, is $180. Good thing I don't need it. The crop trench jacket, that black jacket is in fact a crop trench coat, and that is $85. Okay, the jeans, the distressed articles of society are $68, and if you buy them without holes, the articles of society were $64. Neither of those work for me, so they're not an option, but I think that's a really good price. I wish that they had worked. And then we have the halogen top, that striped top, is $69, and the green t-shirt is $17. Now let's talk about the dresses, because I really like the dresses. That's what I'm surprised. I was excited to get the red Chucks, but now I'm just kind of obsessed with the dresses. I wear a lot of dresses, especially through the spring, summer, fall, and that lucky dress, that denim dress, surprisingly, it felt really good on, and I think I would have a lot of fun wearing that dress, and that is $79.50. And if I buy it and don't like it, I can send it to my daughter-in-law. I know that she will wear it. The red dress, that knit maxi dress by Carlson, or Caslon, what am I saying? Caslon, is $69. My husband liked that, so I think I should buy it for him. I will do that for him. I will buy that dress and wear it, especially for him. And okay, this one is the one that's surprising me. The floral swing dress, that black dress with long sleeves and the flowers in the ruffles. I don't like the ruffles, but I just keep thinking about that dress. I like that, just the cut of the dress. I like the way that it felt, and I think I would wear it in the spring and in the fall. I think it's going to be too warm for the summer, but I will wear that. And then the last dress is that blue Lavapella maxi dress, and I like that dress as well. My issue with that dress is the length, because I would have to, you don't have to, I would have to wear about a 3-inch sandal wedge heel with it. It will drag the floor. It can be knotted, but what was the price on it? For $68. Just a little bit long. When I took my shoes off, it is dragging on the floor. So I have a lot to think about. I would love to get your feedback on this trunk. This was a lot of fun. If you are interested in trying Trunk Club, I am going to put my link below. You can go through that link and you'll be hooked up with my stylist, Shauna. And I can guarantee that she is awesome and she will work with you. She will send you all sorts of stuff, and it's all no obligation, so that's cool. And thank you all for joining me once again for another unboxing. I love your feedback, and I really love that you spend your precious time viewing these videos of mine. So give this video a thumbs up if you would, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in a couple of days, because I've got another unboxing video coming up in just a few days. God bless you all.